I'm going to show you how to transfer files in Parsec. So the first thing you'll need to do is open up Parsec. So for this to work properly, make sure the host is running as admin and has enough privileges to be able to use the drag and drop or file transfer. Otherwise, it might fail. And the first thing you'll need to do is enable the host by going to settings and then host and make sure hosting is enabled. And then you will need to connect to a session. And once you're connected in a session, all you need to do is simply drag the file that you want to transfer from the client to the host or vice versa by simply dragging the file from your desktop, holding the left mouse button down, and then drop it inside the Parsec window like this. And the file should be automatically transferred to the other client or the host on the session, and it should be saved automatically on their downloads folder. And now all you need to do is open up your downloads folder and you should be able to find the file here if it's transferred successfully. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and see you on the next one.